Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, those guys were nice. Well, welcome back everyone again. Anyway, I just wanted to say I was with those guys. I was just sitting there. The one guy just came over to me and we just started chatting. Yeah, very, very nice. We just started talking about bikes. Yeah, that's what usually happens when you sit around somewhere, especially at a gas station. There's always another biker decides to start chatting and everything, and it was pretty cool. He was telling me about how he usually buys a new bike every 4 to 5 years, and he has a collection going. Yeah, and then I showed him my other bike, my Gixxer 750 that I got going back to my parents, and along with this one, and yeah, that's one of the things I like about motorcycling. People come up to you and start talking to you, and it's a social activity, guys. So that's what you can tell your parents if they're not okay with you getting a bike. Just say, hey, it's for socializing. Bad excuse, but hey, you gotta think of something. Oh. Anyway, for this third and probably final test for today, yeah, this guy really wants to move. I put the microphone more behind the cheek pad here to try and get rid of some of that wind noise, because no matter if I plug it into the Zoom or the GoPro itself. Anyway. Nice little rip. This guy's got a nice bike here. It's like some adventure touring or something. It's weird how last time I rode, I came on this road as well. I'm starting to like this road quite a bit. It's quite nice. I definitely got to find some other roads for my next videos coming up here. because how boring would that be if I just rode the same road, the same ride every video? Yeah. I honestly don't really have much else to say for this video. I'm gonna look at this in post and see what audio's best. Until then, yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant.